Hey guys. Okay, this is Mrs. Salazar here and my son Grayson, who's a kindergartner in Mrs. Tovar's class. And today we're going to do a little bit of just a fun little science experiment that would be good for any ages really, but really would be fun for the primary kiddos. So starting with kindergarten all the way up. Okay, so I have a paper towel, and what I did was, it's the ones that you can cut into different lengths. So on the front of it, I drew a butterfly. You could draw really anything you want, but on this one, I drew a butterfly. Okay, and then on the inside of it, I also started to draw that same butterfly, and you want to try to do it in as close to the same spot as possible. So Grayson and I are going to finish coloring this one. Here's a tip though. We tried it earlier with just regular washable markers, and it didn't work. So you need to try to use like Sharpies or some type of a permanent marker for it to work the best. And we're hoping this is going to work really well this time around. So, okay, we've got some markers here. Grayson, I'm going to go with black, but I want you to start choosing a color to color in that butterfly on that side, okay?
Yeah, you can do all the rest of it.
I'm just going to outline it, and then Grayson's going to finish coloring in. He's going to start on that wing over there.
Green.
So again, we're just trying to draw the same butterfly that's on the front, but you notice that on the front it was only in black and white, and now on the inside we're going to make it in color. Okay, I'm going to draw this little antenna up here at the top. Ooh, nice. He chose green and blue.
And that's what I'm going to do on the other side. This one looks kind of purplish.
Looks a little bit purplish.
Yeah.
Okay. I might add some yellow into it.
Yeah.
For you. So we're going to kind of, and I want to add too that I'm coloring on a piece of paper because I'm using permanent marker. I don't want it to bleed through onto my countertops or on a kitchen table or something like that. So make sure you have something underneath it so you're safe to go with that. Oops, I forgot. Yep, I need a line right there. Thanks for catching that. Good fix. Okay. All right, I'm going to switch sides there. So now you can color in that one exactly the same, and I'm going to add some yellow over here.
I want to do this side the very same on the other side.
So it's symmetrical?
Yeah, so it's the same.
Yeah, symmetrical means it's the same if it's folded in half. Same on both sides. So.
I want to see what happens with that.
Okay.
I'm thinking it's going to be the same color. Is what I'm thinking.
What do you think is going to happen though if we put it in the water?
I think it's literally just going to go everywhere.
You think the color is going to go everywhere?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good prediction.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. How about you choose like maybe orange or something to go in the middle right there?
Yeah. I'm like, wait, do we have an orange?
Sure. So we're just kind of coloring in this one that's on the inside. When it's folded, it kind of looks like a book or a card. So just coloring in the inside one. The outside one we don't want to have too much detail on. Just kind of, if you think like a coloring book, just like have the outside pieces of it, the outline of it done. Okay, here comes the magic part. All right, so again, on the outside, we have just a black and white outline of a butterfly, but on the inside, we have it really colorful. Okay, now we're going to go around and kind of lift up my camera here so you can see what's going to happen inside this range. So this is just a glass, like Pyrex pan, a glass pan, and I just put a little bit of water in it, maybe a ½ inch or so, not even really that, just enough so it covers up all the bottom. And then we're going to put these in there. So I have an assistant on the back side of my camera there. I'm going to have you lift it up just a little bit for us. And Grayson, we got to come down so we can see. Okay. All right. You're going to have this one. Remember when you hold it like this with your fingers in between. Okay. And when we put it in, we're going to put it in like that. And we're going to set it down on that side. Because over here, I have one that I did a little bit earlier. Whoops, I need to come down here. Sorry. And I have a ladybug on this one, okay? So I'm going to set it down right here in the water and we're going to see what happens. Ready? We'll do the ladybug first or the butterfly first?
Butterfly.
Butterfly first. Okay, you go first. Oh, make sure it's nice and flat. Here, let go on this side. You have it folded funky. There you go. Okay, go ahead and set it down. Let's see what happens. What's happening? Oh, all the color came through. Lift your camera up a little bit higher so you can see over the top of it. A little bit more. Nice, look at that, so cool. The color came through on the butterfly. I'm gonna turn it that way so we have room for both of them in here. All right, you ready to do the ladybug?
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
The same thing, I'm guessing.
What do you think's gonna happen?
It's gonna do the same thing.
And the ladybug found its spots. The spots came through
I thought
on the ladybug. Okay, so go ahead and set it back down. All right, kind of magical. It's just a little bit of fun, something to pass the time. But again, that was just paper towels. We folded them in half. On the front half, we drew kind of an outline with black permanent marker. And then on the inside was where we do the color and the details. And we ended up putting it in the water and the colors came through. We hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe some of you will try it at home too. All right, we hope to see you guys soon. We miss you. Take care.
Bye.